We're going to make a copy of this Google form and use the Choice Eliminator 2 add-on to eliminate the choices as parents select their appointment time. I'm going to go to File and then Make a Copy, and I'm going to rename this Copy of Parent Teacher Conference so that I know that it's the copy and not my original. I'm going to hit OK, and now my copy will appear. And now we have to reconfigure. On our original, we have our choices. When our parents pick the time slot, the choice eliminates from the selection menu. So here, when we make the copy, that add-on needs to be reconfigured. So I'm going to go to the puzzle piece, which contains the add-ons, and I'm going to select Choice Eliminator 2. And then I'm going to hit Configure. This will bring up my choices. There's a little note from the author that says the best way to use this choice eliminator is to use the drop-down option for your multiple choice for your choices. I'm just going to close that out. So here we have our options here and our time slots. So I'm going to hit the gray arrow and then select Eliminate Choices. I'm going to do this for each of the questions. Choice Eliminator admits to being a little slow on the processing time, so I do want to make a note that we will know that our eliminator is working when the drop-down arrow turns red. So you can see that it says creating, and then one by one our arrows are turning red. Okay. This will allow us to eliminate each choice. And we'll show you just for an added feature when I click on the choice options. It's a little settings gear. It will show up and then it will tell you the limit for each choice. So let's say you were having a group and you were limiting each choice to maybe 2 or 3, you can change that selection around. Because this is an appointment time, I just want to limit my choices to 1 so that when that choice is selected, that option disappears. So I'm just going to leave it as is and select close. The other thing that happens here when we configure our form is that these choices become required. I'm going to go into the form and I'm going to deselect required because otherwise our parents are going to wind up having to choose an appointment for each day, and we don't want that. So we're going to deselect required. So it's just a few steps, but they're really not that bad. And now you're ready to go. So you can send this out. If you send this out to a friend, make sure that we follow the steps to configure our form so that our choices eliminate. Thank you so much.